السلام ورحمۃ اللہ.
حضرت عثمان رضی اللہ تعالیٰ عنہ شہادتের কারণ কি?
What was the, from Bangladesh Huzur we have received this question, what was the reason of the martyrdom of Hazrat Usman radiallahu anhu?
That is a very long and involved question. The fact is that it were Kharijin who organized this rebellion against Hazrat Usman radiallahu ta'ala anhu. I don't remember exactly the reason forwarded by them, but it was a conspiracy, and they entered the house through back door, and most of the Muslims who were standing guard against the possible invasion were unaware of their entering the house. I don't remember exactly what was the reason forwarded, but I'll find out, inshallah. I knew once and I have forgotten it now. But he was reading the Holy Quran at that time, and when they martyred him, his blood was spilt on the Quran. And that is how he was cruelly martyred, and then they escaped through the same route, and then started crying for their revenge. So they were Kharijin who were very mischief mongers, and these are the same Kharijin who ultimately ended in that, what was his name, Sabah?
Abdullah bin Sabah.
Abdullah bin Sabah. You know who invented lejnہ, etc., and assassinators, etc. So it is they are the forefathers of the same Abdullah bin Sabah. I think I have a vague idea that Hazrat Usman was attacked under the pretext that he had not taken proper revenge from those who martyred Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu. So that was the excuse presented by them, and they said, we will take revenge against this.